Easy recipes, a few steps to get vegetables stir-fry noodles. This is egg noodles, this is prawn egg noodles, but if you're vegetarian, just buy the normal egg noodles. You can also use angel hair or pasta spaghetti for these results. It is okay because it's kind of the same thing, but I just realized that this is a prawn with a little bit of prawn, but go ahead and please buy egg noodles if you're vegetarian. First of all, boil some water in a pot. Use a pot almost like this size because the noodle is going to swell up and become more. I'm using 4 noodle and I'm gonna let it boil, come to a gentle boil. Close the lid so that it can be faster in cooking time. And then once it's about 3 minutes, you will come to loosen it. You will find that it's a bit softer, so loosen all this. You can, like I said, use angel hair or pasta if you don't have egg noodles. Go ahead and loosen it with a spatula or tongs. The water is not boiled yet, so just go ahead and do this, and then 3 minutes, you give it another 2 minutes. While I'm waiting for the noodles to cook and boil, I'm gonna just use kale. How do you use kale for this noodle? Kale is very nutritious, a lot of benefit, but a lot of people don't like kale. But this is a very easy and very delicious way of eating kale. First, you cut it out, and then the spine and the stem is a little bit tough and fibrous, but I'm gonna use it anyway because this one is very fresh and tender. It's new sprout. I'm gonna just pluck it into 1-inch tip. Okay, use the stem, pluck it into 1-inch tip, and then just go ahead and just pluck the leaves into smaller portion. You can use all so that more vegetables in this vegetable stir fry. Cut them out and then just do that. So I'm gonna use prawn on the side, but if you're vegetarian, like I said, you don't have to use the prawn. Prawn, I'm just gonna stir fry with some easy spice so that you can have both. If you're vegetarian, go for the egg noodle, and just kale and some carrots if you like. So oil the pan with a lot of oil. You can use coconut oil. I'm using oil, so you can use coconut oil or even some olive oil. Go ahead and saute the vegetables first. Now this kale has been washed and rinsed. It's very soft and tender. I'm just going to stir fry it quickly with the oil that coconut oil is very good for stir fry kale. Now because the pieces are quite huge, I'm just going to use scissors and cut it up to a smaller portion. This is a vegetarian oyster sauce if you take, but if you don't take oyster sauce, vegetarian oyster sauce, go ahead and just put some soy sauce and some, soy sauce and some salt. That will season it well. Soy sauce, pepper, some salt. And here I'm using some sesame oil to make it more fragrant. Sesame oil is very warming, especially for cold weather. Chinese use a lot of sesame oil, and this is seed oil, so it's very good. And lots of pepper because this is also very warming for the body and the gut. And some soy sauce and black soy sauce. 2 spoonfuls if you like to measure, but here I'm just twirling it around and making sure that it's enough. Stir it all up. Once the vegetable is soft, you can put the noodles. After the noodles boil, pour it out and then just put it back into the pan and stir fry. This is still some sesame oil. At the end, stir fry it quickly, toss it up, and then it will be all mixed and nice. Go ahead and put sesame seed if you like, some carrots if you like, some edamame to add it up, some water if you feel that if it's a little bit hard and a bit tough, then just pour some half cup of water to loosen it and soften the vegetables and the noodles. Stir fry, make sure it's all ready, all tossed up, all the spices well mixed, and then this is the time where you can just serve it. So step 1, boil the water, have the noodle inside, loosen it. It takes about 3 minutes to 5 minutes, and then have all the vegetables, kale chopped up. Stir fry it with some sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, coconut oil, and then there you go. You will have this. You can make it in breakfast, and I'm just serving it with some citrus, oranges, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.